Have you ever wondered what it would be like to prepare a homemade meal for your furry friend? Many people have started diving into the world of home-prepared meals for their dogs and are seeing great results. But where do you start? Cooking for dogs is not as complex as it might seem. It all begins with understanding your dog's dietary needs. Dogs, much like humans, require a balanced diet for optimal health. This includes proteins, carbohydrates, and a small amount of certain fruits and vegetables. The first step in cooking for dogs is choosing the right ingredients. Proteins should make up the majority of your dog's diet. Good choices include lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish. Avoid using seasonings or spices, as these can upset a dog's stomach. Carbohydrates are also important. They provide energy and help keep the digestive system functioning properly. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa are excellent choices. And let's not forget fruits and vegetables. These provide essential vitamins and minerals. Stick to dog-safe options like sweet potatoes, peas, and carrots. Apples and blueberries can also be a nice treat. Next, it's time to prepare the food. Always cook the meat thoroughly to kill any harmful bacteria. Grains should be cooked according to package instructions, and vegetables can be steamed or boiled until they're soft. Once everything is cooked, combine the ingredients in a dog-friendly ratio. This is typically around 50% protein, 25% vegetables, and 25% grains. After the food is cooled, it's ready to serve. Start by replacing a small portion of your dog's regular food with the homemade meal. Gradually increase the amount of homemade food over time. Remember to monitor your dog's condition. If they seem to be gaining or losing weight, or if they have any adverse reactions, adjust their diet accordingly, or consult with a vet. In summary, cooking for dogs involves choosing the right ingredients, preparing them properly, and serving them in the correct proportions. Always keep an eye on your dog's health and adjust the diet as needed. It's a wonderful way to ensure your furry friend is getting the nutrition they need, and it can be a lot of fun too. Cooking for your dog doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a little knowledge and preparation, you can start serving up delicious and nutritious meals that your dog will love. And who knows, you might just find a new passion in the process.